When the disease cannot be cured, the patient's pathway could be long and arduous. This will depend on the general condition of the patient, the aggressiveness of the tumor, and the efficacy of the treatment for that condition. Although relapse always indicates that the situation has worsened, it does not mean that all is lost. There are exceptions, and these lie in the hopes generated by the exceptional responses of the tumor to medical treatment or by surgery that may still be possible in certain particular conditions. In this phase, the aim of a treatment is generally to halt the growth of a tumor that would otherwise progress quickly. Halting the growth of a tumor means stabilizing its size and, if possible, reducing it in the hope that the benefits yielded by the treatment will be long-lasting. The medical therapy that is used for the first time in the advanced phase of the disease is called first-line therapy. If this does not work and the disease progresses or relapses, second- and third-line therapies and beyond are used with different drugs. When even these attempts no longer work, the patient can still be helped very substantially by the supportive measures such as pain management, nutrition, and transfusions, so that saying there is nothing doing is never true.